What is going on, my YouTube friends? Well, guys, I did it. I did it. I told you I bought some wheels. I told you when they came in, we'd do an unboxing. So let's get this thing turned around and let's get this thing opened up. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty, look what we got here. We have a box that's still taped up and needs to be opened up. And you can only guess what's in this box. Yeah, buddy. Let's go ahead and run this down here. We'll have to cut around these right here. Yeah. We'll cut around this one right here. Look at that, and let's cut across here. Make sure. And then another cut across here. Oh yeah, I think it should be ready. Look at that. Woo-wee. So you guys, you gotta know. Z53 5SX. Who knows what that means? I don't. Oh, yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Oh, boy. Whatever it is, it must be black. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. What? Oh, wow. Wow. This is pretty scary, man. What could it be? What could it be? Oh my, that's nice. I like that. You know? Looks like an old shower cap. Haha. Now, is that pretty? Or is that pretty? Huh? Man, I don't want to touch it. It's too pretty. Look at that. Meant to buy some runners for those, ain't it, buddy? Sure enough. Look at that. Oh boy. I really like it. I do. What do you guys think of these wheels? Huh? They're the front runners. And there's the center cap. Oops. That one come unglued. I'll have to fix that. Not a problem. Let me see if these wheels will fit on the Fairmont. Be right back. Wow. Is that nice or what, huh? Look at that. That is nice. Let's kind of take a look at the back spacing here. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. That is perfect. Man, I'm telling you what. I want to go get some wheels for them right now, or tires. You know? That is perfect. I'm happy. I gotta get some lug nuts. Probably should have ordered some lug nuts when I ordered these, but I wasn't thinking about it. Runners, let me bring you right back. Hey, look it, there's the second one. I am extremely geeked. Nice. Let me turn this thing around, man. Take another little peek at that. What do you guys think about that, huh? Put them back in the box where it's going to be nice and safe, and oh yeah, buddy. But I have to say, without no tire, it still look good on there with no fenders or nothing, man. These are nice. Let me turn this around. I'm pretty excited, man. I'm ready to take and get the tires put on them. I got to buy some tires first, but you know what? We'll go get some tires here in a couple days or so. We'll see what happens. see how everything goes. It's the holiday weekend, so, you know, we'll be seeing what's going on. I don't know if I'm working or not yet. My boss said he'll let me know tomorrow. And so tomorrow he'll tell me, yeah, I need you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I told him, I said, dude, you got me all week next week. He goes, you're a liar. All right, man, I got a good boss, so he's a pretty good guy. So if you watch this, Mark, you know you got me next weekend, brother. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and one of you. Thanks, each and every one of you. Thanks, I'm so excited. I appreciate each and every one of you guys and gals for watching my videos. I really do. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. And what do you think about the new wheels, man? What kind of tires should I put on them? Let me know down below.